In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an email address in Microsoft Word. Let's start by opening your document in Word. This can be a brand new document or an existing one where you want to add a clickable email link. Make sure your cursor is exactly where you want the email address to appear. It can be inside a paragraph, in a header or footer, or even in a table or signature block. Now, type the email address you want to use, just as you normally would. For example, you might type a generic address like contact@example.com. But in your real document, you'll type the actual email address. Once you've typed it, use your mouse to click and drag over the email address to highlight it. Highlighting is important because Word needs to know exactly which text you want to turn into a link. With the text selected, look towards the top of the screen for the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click on Insert, and then find the option labeled Link or Hyperlink, depending on your version of Word. You can also use the shortcut by right-clicking on the highlighted email address and choosing Link or Hyperlink from the menu that appears. This opens the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. In this dialog box, you'll see several options on the left side. Choose the option that says something like Email Address. Once you select that, the window will change to show fields specifically for email links. In the email address field, type the email you want people to send messages to. Make sure it's spelled correctly, because Word will use exactly what you enter here when someone clicks the link. You'll also see a field labeled Subject. This is optional, but very useful. If you type a short subject line here, like Website Inquiry or Support Request, it will automatically appear in the subject line of the email when someone clicks your link. This helps organize incoming messages and saves your readers a step. After you've filled in the address and optionally the subject, take a quick moment to double-check everything. When you're happy with it, click OK. You'll notice that the email address in your document is now underlined and usually appears in a different color, indicating it's a hyperlink. To test it, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click the link. Your default email program should open a new message with the email address, and, if you set it, the subject line already filled in. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created a clickable email hyperlink in Microsoft Word.